Welcome back to All About. Today I'll be talking about the Prairie explosion. All the information you hear is from NBC News, Kaylee Rosenberg, and the Associated Press. With that out of the way, let's begin. Prairie, Wisconsin explosion. Firefighter dies after natural gas main erupts. After reading this headline, you may be wondering who was involved. Well, the short answer is everyone within a half a mile of the explosion. But being more specific, is the firefighter who died, Prairie. He died while he was helping others. By now, I hope most of you know what time and date this happened, but if you did not, it happened on July 12th, 2018 at 7:15 p.m. in Prairie, Wisconsin. A few huge facts that you should know about the Prairie explosion is 1. A contractor nicked a 4-inch natural gas main, which is a pretty big natural gas main. Second, the explosion was not We Energy's fault. It was the contractor's fault. And third, the explosion killed 1 firefighter and hospitalized 5 others. In the end, this was a truly devastating explosion on so many levels. And if you know anyone who was involved with this, or is in the police force at Prairie or a firefighter, please tell them that we thank you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget you can like, share, and subscribe. And check out my channel. Bye!